Okay, here is a little haul from Food City. It's almost $52. These were mainly the sale items that I went for today. And, you know, she ain't much, but she's mine. Food City, some of you guys were asking me about it. It's really a southeast regional grocery store chain. Tennessee, Virginia, Alabama, Georgia. I looked it up because some people were asking me. So it's just in like 5 or 6 states. But anyway, here we go. These 12 items right here were in a special deal where if you bought 12 of them, you got them for $10. You could mix and match. That brought them out to like 83 cents. So I got 2 tubes of AIM toothpaste, a thing of blueberry Pop-Tarts, some quick cooking oats. I got 4 cans of chunk chicken. This is the smaller can, 5 ounces, but still, that is plenty if you just want to throw a little chicken salad together. I got 2 packs of these cookie dough, break apart. It makes 12 cookies each. I thought that's always good to have. And these pasta sauces, I got 1 flavored with meat and 1 garlic and herb. So that's kind of pantry stock up stuff. Thought was a good deal. Now these items right here were on sale and I went in to get them. You got this bag of apples, a 3-pound bag of Gala apples for $2.49. No, they were $2.99. You could get club crackers for $1.88. You could get up to 4, but I just got 2 of them. Star-Kissed tuna in water, you could get that for 69 cents a can. And then this little thing of queso cheese. It's really good and it's usually very expensive, and I got that for $2.49. The rest, and the Mountain Dews, Diet Mountain Dews for my husband. 6 packs were 4 for $10. Then they had the Hawaiian Lewis brand Hawaiian rolls. They buy one get one free, so if you get one, they're half price. So I got that, and then I got us some deli ham to do some sliders. I needed a box of stuffing mix where I had used one. I just always replace. You know, when people are dealing in their closets, they're like, when something new comes in, something has to go out. Well, I'm the opposite in my pantry. When something goes out, I got to bring something back in to replace it. Got these croutons because we have been out of croutons for a while. And of course, needed another head of lettuce. We go through the salads. And I was out of potatoes. So this was $51, almost $52. Food City bargain shopping this week. I hate to go to multiple stores, but when the deals are good and you're out anyway, it is worth it. So I will probably throw my regular grocery haul into the end of this video for you. Okay, friends, here is another Kroger grocery haul. This was some sale items and just regular things that I needed to pack lunches and a few things for some dinners. This came to $143 and I saved over $64. And it tells you on the bottom of your Kroger receipt what percentage you saved. And today I saved 32% on the price of my groceries. And good news, my old pickup buddy Ranger was back. He filled my order today. Everything was awesome. Wonderful subs. He didn't try to give me a bunch of crazy stuff that I didn't want. It's like he just knows what my mind is thinking. And anyway, let's get into it. Got another bag of these fully cooked pork sausage patties. I love to keep these, and I got some more English muffins this week, and I like to make like McDonald's sausage egg McMuffins up and put those in the fridge for my husband to have during the week for breakfast. In that way, I also buy him these to keep in the freezer, these Jimmy Dean sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits, but these are really pricey, so I like to try to keep him stuff like this too, so he doesn't have to eat all of that. Got a thing of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Got a bag of home-style meatballs. Sometimes I will end up making these on Christmas Eve. They were on sale, so I just went ahead and picked them up. Got 2 bags of the frozen chopped broccoli. 'Tis the season. Like, I make 6 or 8 broccoli casseroles a year for different potlucks. So I'm always buying this. Got a bag of frozen corn and a bag of chopped onions, frozen. I love these. These were on sale and I had a coupon. I love to keep those. You know, there's just some nights you're in a hurry. You'd like to have some fried potatoes, but you know, you just don't even want to cut a potato. These are great. And a couple of Totino's pizzas. Got a pack of Taco Bell seasoning mix. Fallon on Moss Family has said her kids didn't like tacos, but they would eat Taco Bell. So she started buying this and they love it. And then I saw Paisley Bradley use this. And I was asking her about it and she said it was really good too. So, you know, I had a pack of this picked up the other day and I put it back down and I just got my store brand. But I'm going to splurge. I'm going to go the extra 40 cents and try the Taco Bell. I got another jar of the chicken bouillon base where you just add water to make chicken broth. I love this. It's rich, delicious, and it is quite a space saver. Instead of having all the cans or cartons of broth, you just have this little jar. I love that. Got some water mix-in stuff that my daughter likes. Got a jar of the creamy peanut butter with honey. My gum, my daughter's gum, ranch dressing, Hellmann's mayonnaise, box of mac and cheese. Went ahead also, they had this Chex Mix on such sale. So I went ahead, this is a smaller box, but really it's plenty. I'll be making Chex Mix, nuts and bolts, it's what I call it. And since I'm making it for like me and my family, I'm really, like I just make it with what I like. And I use wheat Chex, and then I'll use Crispix, which has corn on one side and something else on the other side. I don't remember what it is, but it alleviates 2 cereals. You can just use Chex Mix, and then you can just use the Crispix instead of getting the other 2 Chex Mix. So I use the wheat Chex and the Crispix, and I will put in almonds and cashews, sometimes peanuts, but you know, peanuts are just a filler in the Chex Mix, so sometimes I'll throw some Cheez-Its in, but that is basically what I've just put in, what we like. Got a nice, another big box of family-sized Ritz. Man, y'all, we go through crackers. We love crackers here. We love them. Got some little paper napkins to throw in lunch boxes. This stuff's on sale. This is wonderful, quick side. It's delicious. A couple of these breadsticks and cheese for lunches. Margie Holmes seasoned mixed greens. Oh, she was on sale this week, so I grabbed 2 of those. Just a couple cans of regular green beans, a can of corn, some refried beans, a can of chili sauce. Y'all know I don't ever buy name brand. This was a sub, but these were just sandwich bags. Got another bag of sugar. Getting ready to, I believe, get into my last one from back when they ran this on sale for 97 cents. So I just grabbed one more. Got our chewy chocolate chip granola bars for lunches. A loaf of honey wheat bread. It feels great. Not mushed, just soft and perfect. These were on sale for half price, so I done this again. Some pepperonis. Got whipped cream cheese. My daughter loves to spread this on flour tortillas and build wraps for lunch. These big blocks and bags of cheese were on sale, and I really didn't need a whole lot, but I thought when I could get a 16-ounce pound pack of Colby Jack cheese for $2.47, I just went ahead and grabbed it. Needed cheese singles. These little dudes, everybody's been showing these. I can't wait to get into them. These, they ran on sale for 99 cents. You could get up to 5 of them. So this, I got 2 of these, 1 of those. The Rolo brand of them was completely gone, as well as I really wanted to try that one that was layered Reese's. That was gone. And so was the York peppermint one. I really wanted to try that one, but it was gone. So anyhow, that's why I got those. Over here, got a couple of different deodorants. I got this dry shampoo. body wash for my husband, really cheap this week. Mouthwash. These were both free items. I don't buy drinks like this. Where my husband works, they provide them with drinks like this because they work out in the hot, or the cold. But they keep this kind of stuff for them. But these were free, so I just went ahead and threw them in my order. We'll have them around here. Got 2 bags of veggie chips. These are also very good. My daughter loves veggie straws. She also loves them in the chip form, and they had to sub them, so that was fine. Got 4 bags of Lay's brand chips. They always run this coupon. If you get 4 of them, you can get them for like $1.77. So I got a barbecue, a cheddar and sour cream and onion, and a regular Dorito. Then in produce, I had just bought a big head of lettuce, but I needed a little broccoli, an onion, a red bell pepper, needed some green onions, and look how good they look. Ranger is such a good picker. And look at my asparagus. And they had asparagus $1.49, like a bunch this week. Got a wonderful looking cucumber. And they were running the ground beef on sale this week. 80-20 ground beef. You got 3 pounds for, I believe it was $8.97. This does not keep as long as when it comes packaged in that roll. Like today is Halloween. It's October 31st. That's right. And this will need to be used or frozen by the 3rd. But anyway, that's what we got. I got Mountain Dews earlier this week at Food City. But anyhow, that is it. I appreciate y'all watching. And until I see you next time, as always, I send you love from my kitchen.